So I'm sure you've heard of it, that of Hurricane Dorian right here. And of course, Virginia is not my home. I just can't have it showing, and so Hurricane Dorian went from over here, from a tropical depression as they call it, to a tropical storm, all the way up to hit a Category 1 hurricane near Puerto Rico. Up, and it went to 2, only went to 3 for one little itty bitty thing, and then went to jump to 4, which it is at now, which is going to get to 5. They're saying it could go this way, it could go that way, right there, and it's coming straight up to here. It's coming straight up towards us. Isn't that nice? And my aunt lives in Virginia, so look, this is gonna be fun. So I'll update you guys on it every now and again. And just to let you know, this little red dot here is that one right there. 156 plus miles per hour. It's gonna be amazing. So yeah, it's coming straight towards us. Coming straight towards everywhere, Canada, all the way up here, and yeah, this will be fun, so I'll update you guys on it when I can. So I guess other updates, I'm not sure. I mean, just a whole bunch of games and stuff, and I'm working on more than these 3. I have another story with a couple of friends' names in it. Well, I have a lot of these of my friends' names in it, but I mean online friends. And so yeah, I'm working on a couple stories. My friends, and they're not doing anything. Yeah. I guess that's all I have. I can't really update on much. So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Night night.